Welcome back to another episode of Misiki Ventures. In our last video, we discussed something about the dashboard. We came to know and got familiarized with the dashboards and the options it shows. We also understood how can you maximize your productivity and scale your business with the help of various parameters that you get from the dashboard. In this video, we are going to discuss on how can you enlist your products and categories through Misiki. So let's begin. Once in the dashboard, from the left-hand column, you can see an option for products, along with other options like your sales, import-export, monitoring, banners, stores, utilities, settings, and profile. Let's go to the products for the time being. When you click on the products, you'll be able to find certain options over here, like all products, categories, reviews, popular searches, brands, and sizes. To enlist a product, let's go to all products. Once you click here, you quickly land up on a page which looks something like this. Now, I would like to show you something for the product called t-shirts. Now, I've already created this product just for an example purpose. But now, we'll see how can we add a new product. If you see, it's really very easy. In this window itself, you can find an option to add a new product. All we need to do is click on that. Now, as soon as we click on the add new product option, we'll end up on a page which asks us to specify the details of the product itself. So let's put a name for the product. Now let's say it's a formal shirt. I just put a name for the product and a product type, whether it's a digital product or it's a physical one. For the time being, let's put the physical one. Now here, you can basically add your size options, specify the color of the product. The best part, we can simply choose a product from all the options that we get and from the wide range of options. Now here we can put the manufacturing date. Let's say it's on 3rd of February 2022. Now there's no expiry date for the option, so I'm leaving it for the time being, and I can just describe my product. Formal shirt for men. Now once I have done that, once I've added an description, I can just move on to other options like the pricing. Now here I can just put the MRP for the particular product. Let us say it's a $25 product and the discounted price, let's say it's $20.99. Now if you see, you can see the MRP versus the discounted price here again. Coming down, here you can basically control the stocks or the inventory. Now let us say you have unlimited stock. So you can simply click on the unlimited stock. And here it comes. So basically, once you have added your stock, you can add certain images of the product. Now these images will be shown on your store itself. Coming down next, you can add a certain category. Now if you want to add a category, we'll be moving on in another video for that. So you can define the categories, like is it formal shirts, categories like formal wear, informal wear, sports wear, ladies wear, women's wear, etc. etc. Coming down, you can also add certain product ribbons, like is it featured one, is it a new product, is it trending, and so on. Once you have added all these options, you can simply add this new product. It's as simple as that. Or what else can you do? You can just go on to the advanced options and you can select a brand over here. You can also add a new brand by clicking on add new. You can select a gender. Is it a male category product? Is it a female category product? What is the condition? Is it a new or refurbished or a used one? Is there any warranty? What is the popularity? Let me put 75%. What is the age group? Or what is the age unit? What is the minimum age and maximum age to use this product? What is the style ID? Is there a style ID which you can add? I'm skipping them for now. Coming down, you can add the manufacturing details. You can select one from the country of origin. You can just put a batch number, the manufacturer. Also, you can put the product codes as per your wish. Next is the replace and return option. Is replace allowed for this product? Yes. Is return allowed for this product? I would say yes. How many days validity for the replacement? Let's say it's a 7-day replacement validity. And for return, let's say it's a 7 days again. Now, you can also specify the size by uploading the size chart for this particular product. And once we are done with it, we can simply save it for now. So there's certain issues with the batch number, as a result of which we are not being able to take it. So let us add a batch number again and then save. Now once the advanced options have been done, let's move on to the SEO. If you want to specify your SEO attributes, you can do it from here itself, like the product title, a small description, and an example has been provided to you down below. If you want to know more about the shippings, you can simply go to the shipping option. You can specify the weight of the product, the length of the product, the width of the product, and the height of the product, and save the details. To specify more, you can simply go to the specifications option. Here you can select the attribute type. To select features, now here you can select the features for this attribute and feature values for this attributes again. One thing to notice here is that you can add your custom fields as well and line items as well. Now this solely depends on your necessities and your needs. Once we have added all the details for the product, we can simply save this. If you want to add or customize even more, you can just go to options and add new options over here. You can also go to the files and upload files. Now these may be either pictures or any details of the product. Also, you can add related products. You can simply add the products from here. And if you see, all the products that you have enlisted till now are available. So I'm just selecting the t-shirt as my related product. And again, a formal shirt as my related product. So you can add innumerable number of related products. To group your products, to help in sorting your products with more optimization, you can simply go to group products option. And if you have created a group for your products, this will be visible over here. For the time being, let us leave it like that. Now, my product has been enlisted. Let's go to the products again, all products, and simply see if my product has been enlisted. If you see, my product has already been enlisted. I can make necessary changes by clicking on the product itself. And for any changes that I make, let us say for the price, I will simply click on the save option and the changes will be reflected directly on your store. I hope this video to enlist your products prove helpful to you. In our next video, we will come up with the categories. Till then, goodbye, take care, wish you all the best.